Hard to tease out, I think, in this moment exactly what the market has baked in, what the sensitivity of the market is on a day-to-day basis. You know, yesterday, the headlines from Lighthizer testimony seemed like it gave investors a little bit of pause, but now we're right back up here. What do you think?
Yeah, well, the thing that he said that was a problem was that he said the deal might be difficult because the structure of the Chinese economy is the way it is, and that they may have to restructure certain things. So that makes it more difficult. I think what we're sorting through today is there were segments of the market and traders who thought that the president was looking for victory at any cost. And if something looked like it was there, he would grab it. Now, he pretty much canceled that with his statement in which he said, we had memos written here. I have things I can sign here. So he made a strong point about this deal was not good enough, I'm walking away. Well, that immediately sends your attention over to the China talks. And there was some feel that there again, he might, looking for a victory, take something that was less than powerful, that didn't have anything to do with intellectual property and things of that type. Just meant more soybeans, more dollar amount, more yuan coming in. That doesn't look to be the case. Now, this is going to be a lot more difficult because if they stick to the current or apparent plan, which is to have President Xi come to Mar-a-Lago, that's going to be very difficult to walk away from. So they're going to have something in hand because it would be embarrassing to Xi to come and then have to walk away. Why did you travel that far with no deal? So that's what the market is pondering right here, and that's what it's trying to sort through.
How do you feel about the way the month has shaped up? Flat this week and a little bit negative today, but decent returns for the month of February.
Yeah, no, you've had two pretty good month-to-month. Historically, however, that the next month to 2 months are up only about 30% of the time. So historically, a jump start isn't necessarily followed by a really good move. The other thing, Wilfred, that I'm concerned about is we're right up against some technical resistance on the charts. And for example, in the S&P, 2815 to 2845, that's got some real resistance here. So 2800 on a psychological level, on a really technical level, 2815, 2825. If they get through those, then you could actually get another leg up. The market could suddenly be encouraged. I'm not so sure that we're ready to do that yet. You keep your eye on today's activity. We've been testing and retesting. We made a couple of intraday lower lows. You want to stay away from that. You need the afternoon to be a little bit better.
Small cap stocks, the Russell 2000, been the best performer since the start of the year. But right now they're the worst performer. They've come off a bit this week. How should we think about the moves there?
Well, I think they were the best performer because they are the most domestic, not at risk of international trade. Now I think we're taking a look at the U.S. economy. How will it be affected by what's going on in places like Europe? Europe still has some problems. Even Germany with these auto tariffs can be a bit of a problem. So I think the next week or so is going to be really critical to how the markets trade.